Hi everyone, let's talk about a puzzle called making French toast. In this puzzle, suppose you are making 3 pieces of French toast on a pan. The pan can hold up to 2 slices of bread at a time, and each slice of bread needs to have each of its 2 sides toasted. One side takes 30 seconds to get toasted, and what you want to know is what is the shortest time in which you can toast all 6 sides of the 3 pieces. So I'll wait for 5 seconds. You can pause the video and try it if you want, and then I'll cover the solution. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's take a look at what is the shortest time in which we can complete this task. We'll call the 2 sides of the first piece A1 and A2, and the 2 sides of the second piece B1, B2, and the 2 sides of the third piece C1, C2. Now, what's more natural to do is toast 2 sides, so A1 and B1, and then flip them over, so you get A2 and B2. So you're done with the first 2 pieces, and then you do one side of the third piece and then the other side of the third piece. This will take 2 minutes. However, there is actually a more efficient way of doing this. What you would do is you want to use the pan to its maximum capacity at all times. So you do A1 and B1, then you take the second piece and you remove it and you put it back on a plate. Then you do A2 and C1. At that point you're done with the first piece A, and you put back B on the other side and you do B2 and C2. And this only takes 1.5 minutes because it takes only 3 applications of the pan, and this is as fast as we can go because we're always using the pan to its maximum capacity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.